World over, there is a deep demand of clean makeup, and only handful of companies exist that can offer that demand. So we worked on the makeup and we cleaned it up at the same time, and that's how Belora Paris was formed. The packaging looks very suave, premium, but it's still sweetly priced. And at the same time, the ingredients are good, the makeup quality is high. So I think it's the whole 360 degree which is creating a different experience for women. There are various markets where we can serve our proposition, and that's where Amazon comes into play. It feels great to be part of Amazon Global Selling Propel program. I think with Amazon's deep insights of consumers across various markets and the various differentiations that exist in those markets, we would want to understand that so we can package our brand and product correctly before even launching there. We're looking at a collaboration in how do we create a brand narrative that's relevant for that particular market. When we started, we wanted to make it a global brand, and I think this is going to be another step towards that direction.